Today is Maintenance Day, and we have a crew of 14, and that includes our maintenance, our grounds, and on a daily basis, what we do is we take care of the district. We open the buildings, we make sure that everything is maintained. The grounds crew are outside, so pretty much the maintenance department, their responsibility is keeping the school open, and that's what we do. That's our number one priority. The Department for the Operations motto is dependability and La Familia. We work as a group, and there's different personalities, and together I direct everybody. So there's a good fit, there's a good click, and we get the job done. Today is Maintenance Day, and we just want to say thank you. And the ECC department came over and really acknowledged them, and I just wanted to say thank you to the district. The maintenance department keeps the school open from day to day, 365 days a year. We have events that are going on Monday through Sunday. Athletics, extracurricular activities, Saturday school, basketball tournaments, kickstart, karate. So we're here, and we have to have the buildings open, cleaned, the air or heat maintained appropriate for whatever event that we have going on, and also outside. All the lights, we have to make sure that those are sufficient and adequate for the events that we have here. So it's very, very important for the maintenance. And I direct the team, treat your job as if it was your personal business, and that makes us all go the extra mile. It's very important, and it lets them know that they're appreciated. There's Boss Day, there's Secretary Day, there's Custodian Day, and Maintenance Day lets them know that's your day, that you shine, you're appreciated. Someone thought of you, and they just wanted to say thank you for all you do.
Okay.
Send someone over.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're here, we're human, and we're here. We're customer service. We're here to do what you're requesting us to do in a timely manner. Also, be, conscious of what you're asking us to do. Our goal is to keep the school open and make sure that all the students and staff, they're accommodated accordingly for what we need to do here with the district. Maintenance is important, and something's going to break, and we have to fix it. We've been very fortunate with, after COVID hit, supplies were limited, and right now we're still encountering that on some of the parts that we need, but the maintenance department has still been able to keep the school open. It's good. You see the smile on my face, right? We're good. Operations, we're good. We know that we're appreciated. We know the outcome when we see the students, when we're out in the community and somebody, hey, they work at Stafford, and they know us all from our shirts and stuff like that. So it's important that they're happy, because we're here the majority of our day. We're here at work. And so it's exciting for me to see them being appreciated, and we're just happy all around about it. And we really, 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 really appreciate this day.